Credit cards. For some people, they're like magic money machines. Swipe it, tap it, and boom, you're eating pizza, buying sneakers, or booking that trip to Dubai. But here's the catch. If you don't use them wisely, those little pieces of plastic can cost you way more than you think. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your credit card like a debit card, how to enjoy the convenience, build your credit score, and pay zero interest. And trust me, I'll keep it simple, fun, and real. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The Trap of Credit Cards. Meet Daniel. He just got his first credit card. At first, it felt amazing. He bought clothes, gadgets, and even treated friends to dinner. But here's the problem. He thought of the credit card as free money. By the end of the month, he owed $500. The minimum payment? Only $25. Daniel thought, oh, easy. I'll just pay the minimum. What he didn't realize is that the rest of the balance keeps growing interest, like a monster feeding on his wallet. By the time he cleared the debt, he had paid hundreds of dollars extra. That's the trap. Credit cards aren't evil, but misusing them is like playing with fire. You can cook dinner or you can burn your house down. Chapter 2, The Golden Rule. So, here's the golden rule. Treat your credit card exactly like a debit card. That means never, ever spend money you don't already have. If you got $100 in your bank account, then that's your real limit. Even if your credit card says you can spend $500. Example, imagine this. You go to a restaurant and pay $30 with your credit card. The moment you do, pretend that $30 has already left your account. By the end of the month, you paid in full. Done. No interest, no stress. Chapter 3. The benefits of doing it right. Now, let's talk about the rewards. When you use your credit card wisely, you build a positive payment history. Lenders see you as reliable. Your credit score goes up, and that matters when you want a car loan, rent a new apartment, or even qualify for a mortgage. Second, you pay zero interest. Imagine using the bank's money for 30 days for free. And third, you get perks, cashback, travel points, fraud protection. It's like getting paid just for being smart. Remember Daniel, the guy who fell into the trap? Well, his friend Jennifer did the opposite. She used her car for groceries, gas, and bills, things she'd pay for anyway. Then she paid the balance in full every month. Within a year, her credit score jumped, and she booked a flight using only points. That's the power of treating your card like a debit card. Chapter 4, Action Steps. Okay, here are some simple steps you can take starting today. 1. Know your budget. If you don't have the money in your checking account, don't swipe. 2. Set an alarm on your phone. Remind yourself a few days before your due date to pay the full balance. 3. Pay more than the minimum. Actually, scratch that. Pay the entire statement balance. 4. Track your spending. Use your bank's app or budgeting apps to see where your money goes. 5. Start small. Use your credit card only for regular bills or groceries until you get the hang of it. It's like learning to drive. You don't start by racing on a highway. You start in a parking lot. Same thing here. Start small, then build up. Chapter 5, My Personal Story. I'll be real with you. When I got my first credit card, I messed up. I bought concert tickets, fast food, clothes, stuff I didn't even need. At first, I thought I was living the dream. But when the bill came, I realized I was living in debt. I spent months digging out. That's when I learned the golden rule. Only buy what you can afford right now. The day I started treating my card like a debit card, everything changed. No more interest, no more stress. And my credit score started climbing. And trust me, the freedom of being in control feels way better than the stress of being in debt. Closing. So here's your challenge. If you have a credit card, On your next due date, pay the full balance, not just a minimum. Think of your card as a tool, not free money. Use it for convenience and rewards, not debt. Because at the end of the day, the smartest way to use a credit card is to use it like a debit card. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to click the thumbs button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this. Be wise, build credit, pay zero interest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.